So if I want to sample a specific color from my painting, I would select the uh, square on the left-hand corner and say I want this really dark green. Put my Apple Pencil over that green and see it switching from orange to green. So once you have that, you can start painting. But I noticed that I have a much lighter color than the one I've selected. And why is that? If I go to my layers, I'll notice there's a blending mode on the one I'm using. So the color's going to come out a bit different. How do I fix that? I just need to add a second layer on top. And then if I color over that, I'll get the color that I want. If you select the letter D on that other layer, you'll see which blending mode is being used. It's difference versus normal. And that is basically it. So if your colors are coming out wrong, you probably have a blending mode on your layer. All right, thanks guys. See you in my next video. Rawr!